Welcome to today's lesson, where we'll explore how to split values into two groups based on a given condition using JavaScript. This technique is particularly useful for organizing data when dealing with filters or conditional groupings. Whether you're working on a data pipeline, form validation, or dynamic categorization, this method is both simple and powerful. Let's dive in. Our goal is to split the elements of an array into two groups. The grouping is determined by a filter array, where true values correspond to the elements in the first group, and false values correspond to the elements in the second group. For example, given the array beep boop foo bar and the filter true true false true, we will group the elements into beep boop bar and foo. This is the core logic of our solution. The bifurcate function takes two inputs, an array and a filter array. Using the reduce method, we iterate through the input array. For each element, we check the corresponding value in the filter array. If it is true, the element goes into the first group, index 0. Otherwise, it goes into the second group, index 1. The function ultimately returns a nested array containing both groups. This shows how the function processes each element of the array step by step. It starts with an empty array for both groups and iteratively adds elements based on the filter values. By the end of the iteration, all elements are correctly grouped according to the filter. This table highlights how the function performs across various test cases. For example, in the first case, the filter true false true places beep and foo into the first group and boop into the second. Similarly, in the third test case, the filter false false results in all elements being grouped into the second group. The ES6 version of the function is concise and leverages modern JavaScript features, like arrow functions. The logic remains the same. Use reduce to categorize elements into two groups based on the filter array. This approach is both elegant and efficient, making it a great choice for clean and maintainable code. This method has numerous practical applications. For instance, you can use it to categorize data into groups based on certain conditions, validate form inputs by separating valid and invalid data, or even segment users based on their preference. It is a versatile technique that can be applied across various domains. To summarize, splitting values into two groups based on a filter array is a simple yet powerful approach for organizing data. By using JavaScript's reduce method, you can achieve this efficiently and with minimal code. This technique is not only easy to use and implement, but also versatile, making it a valuable addition to any developer's toolkit. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.